Hi, today I'm going to tell you if I wasted $60 on this pair of running shoes when compared to this pair of running shoes. This here is a Topo Spectre, which is race ready and it has that carbon insole in it. This one right here is your everyday trainer, a Topo Phantom 2, no insert. This one goes for about $160 and this one goes for $100. To test out which shoe was faster, I ran 12 runs, 6 with each shoe. And you can see the results here. I have a wider range and slower average pace with the Phantom 2, and a much tighter range and a quicker pace with the Spectre. My results were about 15 seconds faster per mile with the Spectre over the Phantom 2. And this was a statistically significant difference between the two shoes. So let's back up and talk about how I actually got this result. To examine which of these shoes outperformed the other, I ran a designed experiment. In this designed experiment, I had 12 different runs, 6 with each shoe, and I varied how many days rest I had between each run from 0 to 2 days. Also, I looked at 2 different distances, 3 and 5 miles running. And then I had 2 factors that I was monitoring, but I couldn't control. So these are called uncontrolled factors. That's the temperature and humidity during the run. The actual measurement of my result, I took a pace of my 3rd mile during the run. And this pace, I was trying to run at a threshold pace to keep this as consistent as possible. So in case I started slow or ended slow, it wouldn't impact that pace of the 3rd mile. All right, let's look at the results of this designed experiment. If we take a look here at the effect summary, we find that both shoe temperature and the interaction between shoe and temperature all seem to be having an important impact on my average 3rd mile pace. And you can see this was actually pretty surprising to me that my results tracked so closely to a model. I thought my runs would be a little bit more variable than they ended up being. And if I look down here at the prediction profiler, we can see what I'd expect my average run to be depending on the temperature outside and which shoe I'm wearing. So if we happen to know the temperature of my run is 58 degrees Fahrenheit, and I run with the Spectre shoe, we can expect my pace for the 3rd mile to be just about 8 minutes and 28 seconds for that mile. So I hope you found this informative, and the end result was that, well, this shoe did cost $60 extra for the race ready Spectre. It did seem to impact my performance. Now, whether $60 is worth an extra 15 seconds saved on a run or not, that's up to you. But there does seem to be some impact of going with this race ready carbon insole lighter shoe. Thank you.